Hello and welcome to this review of the Fractal Design Torrent Nano. Today, we are going to take a deep dive into this new, compact, and affordable case. This is the smallest and the most affordable case in the Torrent series by Fractal Design. It is a small form factor case that is designed to be compact, yet offer enough space for high-end components. Let's see how it performs. The Fractal Design Torrent Nano has a very minimalistic design, which is typical of the Torrent series. It is a small case, measuring just 344mm by 185mm by 372mm. The case is made from high-quality materials and features a tempered glass side panel that gives it a premium look. The case can support mini ITX and micro ATX motherboards, which makes it ideal for compact builds. Despite its small size, the Fractal Design Torrent Nano has plenty of features. The case can accommodate a full-sized graphics card up to 315mm in length and a CPU cooler up to 165mm in height. It can also house up to 3 2.5-inch drives and one 3.5-inch drive. The case has a front panel that features two USB 3.0 ports and a power button. The Fractal Design Torrent Nano comes with one pre-installed Fractal Design 92mm fan at the rear. The case can support up to two 120mm fans at the front and one 120mm fan at the top. The case also has ample space for liquid cooling. You can install a 240mm radiator at the front or a 120mm radiator at the rear. The build quality of the Fractal Design Torrent Nano is excellent. The case is made from high-quality materials that feel sturdy and durable. The case has a brushed aluminum front panel that gives it a premium look and feel. The tempered glass side panel is also very thick and scratch-resistant, ensuring that your build remains protected. The Fractal Design Torrent Nano is an affordable case that retails for £79.99. It is currently available on the Fractal Design website and other retailers. It is an excellent value for money case that offers plenty of features and a premium look and feel. In conclusion, the Fractal Design Torrent Nano is an excellent case for anyone looking to build a compact system without sacrificing performance. It has plenty of features, ample space for high-end components, and excellent build quality. It is an affordable case that offers excellent value for money. If you're looking for a compact case that looks great and performs well, then the Fractal Design Torrent Nano is definitely worth considering.